Hello there. This video is basically about selling on Monica and MEXC exchange. You're basically going to learn three things. And the first is how to sell any cryptocurrency at all on MEXC exchange. The second is how to withdraw it to an exchange that accepts your local currency. The third and last is how to withdraw it to your local bank account. This video is mainly tailored for the Nigerian audience, but what you learn will help you get started on your way to withdrawing your funds to your local bank account, no matter where you live in the world, right? So without further ado, let's get straight into this right away. The first thing you're meant to do is to update your MEXC app on Play Store. Update your MEXC and Monica.ng app on Play Store. Once you do that, you want to open that up. Now from the home section, you click on Wallet. Once you click on Wallet, you want to make sure that you are on the sports section, as you can see right here. Now, assuming you want to sell a cryptocurrency on the MEXC exchange, no matter the cryptocurrency you want to sell, this is what you need to do. For the purpose of this lesson, I'm going to be using the cryptocurrency called pepe, right? So what you're meant to do right now is to select pepe. Or you can just tick this little checkbox right here, and this will review all your cryptocurrency. Now you select the one that suits you best. Now once I click on pepe, this would lead us to this very page. And once you arrive at this very page right now, you want to click on trade, right? And what you're meant to select is pepe USDT and not pepe EUR or whatever you see right there. And this will take you to the trade section. By default, this bar right here would be on buy, but you want to switch it to the sell section. And then for the orders, you click on this drop down arrow and select the market order, right? Selecting the market order will help you sell this instantly according to what it is on the market. Over here, you see the bars which can determine the percentage you want to sell. If you drag this right now to 100%, it means that you sell 100% of this very token. Or you can just come over here and fix in the exact amount you want to sell, right? But for me, I'm going to be dragging this to the very end because I want to sell everything. Now, the next thing you're meant to do right now is to click on sell pepe, and this sell request will be submitted immediately. Now, we're going to have to wait for this to convert to USDT, because if you want to sell to an exchange, you have to exchange this to USDT so it will be easy. So you can see right now we now have our USDT right here, and what we want to do right now is click on USDT. And what do we do next? The next step is to withdraw this to an exchange that allows USDT, and not just allow USDT but also transfers this to your local bank account, right? So how do we withdraw this to an exchange that accepts your local currency? So first thing first, you have to click on this withdraw button at the middle of your screen, and then you go ahead and select on-chain withdrawal and not MEXC transfer, because we are not doing MEXC to MEXC transfer. On-chain withdrawal is what you're meant to select. Once you click on-chain withdrawal right now, this will lead you to this very page. After reading this, you go ahead and tick this box right here and click on confirm. The currency is already set to USDT, but we don't have the withdraw address. So how do we get that? Of course, you go to that very exchange you want to send to and get your withdrawal address. I'm going to open up Monica right now. This is an exchange that allows you to convert your tokens, not all cryptocurrency, but some cryptocurrency, to Naira instantly. As you can see, these are some of the transactions I've done. I've done a lot of transactions. They are trusted and recommended. I'll leave my code in the description in case you need to use that. So the first thing you have to do right now is to click on deposit and you click on view wallet. Now once you do this, you can read this up for yourself and then go ahead and click on get started. And once you click on get started right now, you can see the cryptocurrencies you can send to this very platform that would automatically get converted to Naira. Please note that once these tokens get converted to Naira, you cannot convert them back to your local cryptocurrency. So please keep this in mind and send only what you intend to convert or send to your Naira bank account, right? So you can see right here we have Bitcoin, BNB, Ethereum, Tron, and the one we're going to be going with is USDT, and we're going to be selecting BSC USDT. Please take note, there are different networks for USDT. There's TRX, ETH, BSC, which is Binance Smart Chain, and there are other networks, but we're going to be selecting Binance Smart Chain because of the gas fee is usually low. Now right here you can copy your wallet address. You're also going to see the conversion rate, the chain, and the minimum you can transfer to this very platform, which is not currently showing right now, but you get to see it on a good day or if you're using the most current app. Right now you go back to MEXC and paste in that very wallet address right there. Now you select the network, very important, because if you don't select the network you might end up losing your token. So go ahead and click on that arrow right now and select BSC As at the moment, this incurs no fee, zero fee at the moment. But most times you get to see $1 or $2 fee. In the withdraw quantity section, select all or just type in the amount you want to withdraw. I'm going to select all because I want to withdraw everything. And then click this very confirm button right here. And then go ahead and click confirm withdrawal again to send this 61 USDT to Monica Exchange. Of course, there are security measures to this. I have to apply my passkey right now for the transaction to be approved. You can see the withdrawal is on the way. It's actually processing at the moment. What you can do right now if you're doing this for the first time is to just head back and refresh the wallet section of your MEXC app, or simply go to Monica right now and check if this has arrived. So I'm just going to refresh this Monica site right now, so we can check if this has actually arrived. So I just got a notification right now that says that 61 USDT has been sent to my Monica exchange. So you can see it right here. So with this, I cannot go back to my Monica exchange and refresh this to see if this has arrived. Of course, this is it right here. So what do we do next? We move to step 3, which is how to withdraw these to your local or Naira bank account. Now, if you're not from Nigeria, what you can do is to just go online, search for USDT to, let me say, CDs or rupees, platform. Just search for a platform that you can transfer your USDT to in your country. But if you're in Nigeria, this is what you're to do to withdraw this to your local Nigeria bank account. So after confirming this USDT has been sent to your Monica account, the next thing you might want to do is to click on that profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, you select support, right? And once you open up the support portal, you might want to ask them if withdrawals for your bank account is available at the moment, right? I usually do that. But if you're in a hurry, this is what you're meant to do. Simply go ahead and click on transfer, not deposit. Click on transfer and this very page will open up. Now, you need to know that since you have 101,827 Naira here, you cannot transfer everything at once. You have to leave some change. This is how the platform works. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in 101,500 instead, and then go ahead and click on purchase. Now the moment you click on purchase, you have two options, which is the Monica users and bank account. Monica users is if you want to do a Monica to Monica transfer, but for bank account is if you want to send to probably OP or your bank account. So I'll go ahead with bank account, and then you can see these are bank accounts I saved as beneficiary. You can actually do that. You just have to select the bank you want to transfer to, and then you fix in the account number, and you tick this very box right here, and this will automatically be saved as beneficiary, right? But I'm just going to select one of them already, and you can see my bank name, my account number, and my name is right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on proceed right now. But if you're doing this for the first time, you want to save that as beneficiary and then go ahead and click on proceed. So it says you're about to transfer 101,000. You can see my name here and the bank account, and the fee is free, right? There's no fee, no hidden fee. So we're just going to go ahead right now and click on confirm. And then you enter your PIN. During your Monica account creation process, you'll be asked to enter a PIN that will serve as your transfer PIN. I created a video for that, which I'll leave up on the screen right now. You might want to go watch that video to learn how to create your Monica.ng account. I'll also leave that video in the description of this very video. Now, once you enter that PIN and click on confirm, you'll get to see this very message that says transfer successful. So we have successfully transferred this amount of money to my bank account, and you just have to wait for this to arrive to your bank account. The beauty of this very platform is that you don't even have to do KYC. So if I click on close and head back to the home section of my Monica app right now, you can see that what I have left is just 327 Naira, and this is because this transaction has gone through, right? Sometimes you might say that you have been deducted, right? But it might not arrive, and even if it doesn't arrive, you get notified, right? And the money will return back to this very account. I don't know how they do this, but trust me, it's really amazing. So you have nothing to be worried about. Code be in the comment section, and MEXC link could also be in the comment section, just in case you want to join any of these very platforms. And yes, as you can see at the top of my screen right there, this is the alert. This is a confirmation that I just received these very funds into my Nigerian bank account. So you can actually check this platform out, just walk through, explore the platform to learn new things. And if we go back to MEXC right now, you'd also see that my USDT right here is displaying 0, of course, which also shows that the transaction and everything was successful. So this is basically what you need to know regarding this very video. I hope that you found value in this very video. I hope you learned new thing. Now, if you did, appreciate me by leaving a like and a beautiful comment in the comment section. I would also appreciate it if you share this video so that others who need it will be able to access it easily. If this is your first time stopping by or you haven't yet subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I drop a video like this, you'll be one of the first to get notified. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.